American Italian versus Italian Italian. Let's talk about that. So watching Vincenzo the other day gave me a new idea for a new series of videos on this channel. As you can see, I've listed out some Italian words over here, and I'm going to pronounce them in English first, American English, because that's basically the bread and butter of this channel. And then over here, I'm going to try and pronounce them like an Italian would, as authentically as possible in my best attempt. Okay? So let's try it. First off, we have latte, 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 latte. Can I get 2 shots of espressos, please? Espresso, espresso, no X. Espresso. Oh, this should be easy enough. Margarita. It's my favorite. Not really. Margherita. A sound. Margherita. Garfield's favorite. Lasagna. Everybody knows this. Lasagna. Lasagne. Lasagne. Plural. Some call it mascarpone. Some call it mascarpone. Either way. Mascarpone. Mascarpone. Bolognese. Bolognese. Pretty light. Bolognese. Bolognese. Gnocchi. Gnocchi. Ah, very close. Gnocchi. Gnocchi. Last I heard it was linguine? Yeah, linguine. Pixar. They must be right. Ay, mamma mia. I've told you so many times. It's linguine. Linguine. Hey, I see you've made it to the end. Thank you. If you like what you've seen and would like to see more in the future, feel free to leave a like, subscribe if you want. If not, that's fine by me. Later.